Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here.
Today's video is inspired by the Houthi tribe of Yemen, who despite the presence of Western modern naval powers continue to successfully sink and damage Allied shipping. But sinking a ship with a dumb bomb launched from a piston-engine airplane is no easy task. It requires practice and preparation. We're on the Task Force Dingo server, which has AI and human opponents. It also sports some challenging targets with deadly and realistic flak. On this attack, the flak did not open up until I was almost on the target, which gave me no time to take evasive action. I did manage to bracket the ship with both my bombs, which gave me a kill. A proud moment for me to ponder for the rest of my time in captivity. Here is an ordnance delivery technique you will not find in many textbooks. Note the teamwork as my single fighter escort distracts the flak. Outstanding, Ninny, outstanding. Of course, you don't need 500 kilogram bombs to destroy a ship. These 50s do just fine. But they're not really powerful enough to destroy the vessel with the bracketing technique. Next up, we're going to do some strafing. Why? Because it's a lot of fun. Notice how I can rake from left to right by using my rudder to pull the nose across. To range the target, I fire a couple of cannon shells to see where they land before starting the salvo. On this gunboat, my priority target is the flak. And the same with the second ship. So I said to myself, why the hell not? And I poured myself some more rum. Now this Combat Box Friday Night Flights mission was a night mission which created a whole new aspect for me and a bigger challenge. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for supporting my channel. And please note that no Houthi tribesmen were inconvenienced during the making of this video. See you next time.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.